All right, team, in this video, I'm going to go over how to reduce fractions and how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to vice versa. So when we are reducing fractions, we're looking to divide by the greatest common factor. So if I end up with a problem like 24 over 36, and I'm asked to reduce this or simplify, I need to list out all the numbers that 24 is divisible by and 36 is divisible by. Now, this is the long way to do this, and some of you may find some tricks, but basically I'm looking for a number that I can divide the 24 and the 36 by. And just to make it really obvious and take the extra moment, I'm going to write out all of the factors of 24. So 1 times 24 is 24, 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 8 is 24, and 4 times 6 is 24. Those are all the factors. All those numbers are divisible. I'm going to do the same thing for my denominator, 36. Let's see. I get 1 and 36. I got 2 and 18, 3 and 12, and 4 and 9. So now what I'm looking, so all these numbers are divisible by 36. Now I'm looking for a number in common, and I'm looking for the biggest number. Now I see that they're both divisible by 2, but if I do that by the smaller number, I'm just going to end up having to reduce all over again. So I'm looking for the biggest number, and I see the biggest number is 12. So that's going to be the number that I divide the 24 and the 36 by. So numerator, denominator, 24 divided by 12 is 2, 36 divided by 12 is 3. And there is my fully reduced simplified fraction. Okay, let's do improper to a mixed number. Remember, a mixed number is a number with a whole number and a fraction attached to it. So if I end up with 11 fourths, this is an improper fraction, meaning that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So I need to clean this up. I do that by dividing with remainder. So 11 is going in the box, 4 is going on the outside. How many times does 4 go into 11? It goes in 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract 8 minus 11 minus 8 is 3. Nothing more to bring down. I'm done. I have all the pieces I need here. The answer is my whole number, 2. The remainder is my new numerator, and my denominator stays the same. So 11 fourths gets converted into 2 and 3 fourths. Okay, last one for this video. If I'm looking to do a mixed number to improper, proper fraction, I should say. So this is when I have a mixed number and I'm trying to turn it into something like this. I do that when I'm multiplying and dividing fractions. That's always my first step. So if I have a mixed number when I'm multiplying and dividing, the first thing I need to do is make it improper. And I do that by going around the world. Let's say there's 3 1/5. I go around the world. First step is I multiply. Next step, I add. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 1 is 16. That becomes my new numerator, 16, and my denominator stays the same. And there it is.